Good morning, my name is Kit Boju with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning we're going to take you on a brief walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. First off, we've ordered this boat in platinum hull-side paint. We've powered it with triple 350 Verados. We did order underwater lights on this particular boat. Step aboard, I'll show you some great features on the 345. As you board the boat, you'll notice a very spacious cockpit. Lots of amenities on the 345. First off being, notice port and starboard fish boxes in the floor. Spacious seating with fold-out bench seat to aft, fold-out bench seat to port, which is tucked away, which is nice if you're fishing the boat. You can still utilize this area. Live well aft here. Notice we have pulled out your lounge seat. If you are doing any kind of trolling, you can let the sure shade out a little bit and you can face aft. Very nice feature on the 345. As we step forward to the helm, dual refrigerators if you're taking the boat out cruising for the day. Sink area. Great lounge area on the port side as this seat does roll aft. Air conditioned at the helm and to the port side. We didn't order any electronics on this particular boat as we're going to let our customers make their preference on what they would like. We did order a joystick piloting on the 345. Come on down below and I'll show you some great features. As you come down, you'll notice, wow, different colors, variation in the boat with the countertops. Whaler really hit it on this boat. You know, dark teak table, just the fit and finish in the 345, and it's so versatile. The table drops down. This comes together to make a bed. You also have in your mid-berth, makes a complete bed or a lounging area for the kids. Completely enclosed head. Just a great weekend boat as well. We thank you for watching this video. Remember, we're always open online at MarineMax.com. See you on the water.